Assalamualaikum, my name is Syarul Ahmad Syafiq Beramli. My trade number is 01DKP25F1079. Today I will presenting on the general arrangement of passenger ship. The passenger liner or its modern equivalent, the cruiser liner, exists to provide a means of luxurious transport between interesting destinations in pleasant climate for its human cargo. The passenger travelling in such a ship pay for and expect a superior standard of accommodation and leisure facility. Large amount of superstructure are therefore an interesting feature of passenger ship. Several tiers of deck are fitted with large open lounge, ballroom, swimming pool and promenade area. Aesthetically pleasing lines are evident with usually well-ranked clipper type bows and unusual funnel shape. Stabilizers are fitted to reduce rolling and bow thrust are employed for improved maneuverability. Large passenger liner are rare. The moderate size cruise liner of 12,000 ton displacement now being the more prevalent. Passenger carrying capacity is 600 with speed in the region of 22 knots. We can see at the deck the sky lounge and poolside veranda at the top side for the best view. The ballroom and theatre for entertainment. Large dining room and open lounge for socializing. A common area separate across multiply levels of level to minimal capacity. Now we can look at the lower section of the general arrangement. You can see machinery space located at the bottom to maintain the low center of gravity. Fuel and water tank positioned in the double bottom and lower compartment to ensure stability. Maneuverability. Notice the bow thruster at the front and the stabilizer on the side. These are crucial for passenger comfort as they reduce the rolling of the ship in rough sea and allow the easy docking in various parts.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today I would like to talk about fast ferries and their general arrangement. Fast ferries, also known as high-speed passenger vessels, have developed very rapidly in recent years. Their size and number have increased and they are now used in areas that were previously dominated by conventional passenger ships and roll-on, roll-off vessels. Most modern fast ferries are designed as catamarans. These vessels can reach lengths of up to about 127 meters and are capable of carrying a large number of passengers as well as vehicles at very high speed. In the early development of fast ferries, hydrofoils were commonly used. Fixed or removable foils allow the vessel to lift out the water, reducing resistance and enabling speeds of up to 40 knots. Another type of the hover another type is the hovercraft, which use a cushion of air to lift the vessel above the water surface. Some hovercraft design can carry more than 400 passengers and around 60 cars at speed of up to 60 knots. However, the catamaran has become the most popular design because it is able to carry large number of passengers and cargo while maintaining relatively high speed. Currently, catamarans account for more than 50% of fast ferries built and about 40% of the fast ferry fleet in operation. Most fast ferries are constructed using welded aluminum alloy, although high tensile steel is sometimes used. The large open deck area of passenger carrying catamarans allow many passengers to become accommodated comfortably. Propulsion machinery is usually located in each hull, and water jet propulsion is commonly used for high-speed operation. In terms of safety, the International Maritime Organization has introduced regulations to ensure safe operation. The Code of Safety for Dynamically Support Craft was first introduced in 1977, followed by a major revision known as the Code of Practice for High-Speed Craft in 1996. In conclusion, fast ferries are specially designed to achieve high speed, efficient operation, and passenger comfort, making them an important part of modern marine transportation. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amirul Siddiq Seri bin Amirullah. My matric number is 01 DKP 25F 1084. Today I will present the elevation and plan view arrangement of various ship types. The ship type covered in this presentation are general cargo ship, crude oil carrier, and bulk carrier. Elevation view show the side view of the ship, while plan view show the top view of the ship. So this is my sketch. The slide show the general cargo ship. A general cargo ship is designed to carry different types of cargo, such as packaged goods, container, and machinery. It is a flexible ship and usually equipped with deck crane for loading and unloading cargo. General cargo ship elevation view. In the elevation view of the general cargo ship, they have the bow is located at the front. Second, the stern is at the rear. The cargo hold are located in the middle of the ship. Deck cranes are installed above the cargo hold. The engine room and bridge are usually located at the aft rear. This arrangement allows efficient cargo handling and good ship balance. The cargo ship plan view. In the plan view, the cargo holds are arranged longitudinally along the center. The cranes are positioned between cargo hold. The engine room and the bridge are clearly visible at distance. This layout helps improve cargo access and operational efficiency. Crude oil carrier. An oil tanker is designed to transport liquid cargo, mainly crude oil, in large quantities. Safety and segregation of cargo are very important for this type. The elevation view of crude oil carrier. The ship has a long flat deck. The oil tanks are located along the midship area. A pump room is placed near the engine room. The bridge and engine room are located at the aft. This design reduces the risk of oil spillage and improves stability. So the plan view of crude oil carrier multiply oil tanks are arranged side by side. Second, the pump room connect the tank for loading and unloading. Thirdly, the engine room accommodation are clearly separated from the cargo area. This arrangement improves safety and operational control. Next, about bulk carrier. A bulk carrier is designed to carry dry bulk cargo, such as coal, grain, and iron ore. The ship structure is simple and strong to support heavy cargo. The elevation view is large cargo hold are located along the length of the ship. The deck is mostly flat. Some bulk carriers are fitted with deck crane. The engine room and bridge are located at the stern. This design allows the ship carry large volume of bulk cargo efficiently. The plan view of the bulk carrier is the cargo hold are large and rectangular. The layout is simple compared to other ship types. The engine room is positioned at the rear. This arrangement makes loading and unloading bulk cargo easier. So the conclusion is elevation view help us understand the ship side profile and vertical arrangement. Plan view show the top layout and internal arrangement. Each ship type has a different design based on its cargo and function. So that's all for me.
Hello guys, my name is Zikri Fitri. Today I will illustrate a general knowledge of the primary structural members of a ship and explain the proper names and position of its main parts. A ship is divided into several structural sections designed to provide strength, safety and efficient operation. One of the main areas is the cargo hold, which is used to store dry cargo. Cargo holds are usually located in the central part of the ship and are accessed through the hatchway, an opening on the main deck that allows cargo to be loaded and unloaded. Below the cargo holds is the double bottom tank. This is a space between the outer bottom shell and the inner bottom plating. Double bottom tanks are used for ballast water, fuel oil or fresh water, and they also provide extra protection in case the ship's bottom is damaged. The engine room is usually located at the aft part of the engine. Generators, pumps, and other machinery required for propulsion and ship operations. At the forward and aft ends of the ship are the peak tanks, known as the forepeak tank and aft peak tank. These tanks are mainly used for ballast water to help control the ship's stream and stability. Some ships are twin deck, which is an intermediate deck located between the main deck and the cargo hold. Twin deck allow better cargo arrangement and separation, especially for general cargo vessels. The ship is divided into compartments by bulkheads. Bulkheads are vertical walls that increase the structural strength of the ship and prevent the spread of water in case of flooding. Watertight bulkheads are really important for ship safety. A cofferdam is a narrow, empty space between two bulkheads or tanks. It acts as a safety barrier to prevent leakage or contamination between different compartments, such as between fuel tank and cargo spaces. On tanker vessels, the pump room is a critical compartment that houses cargo pumps and pipelines. It is normally located near the engine room and used to control the loading and discharging of liquid cargo. Cargo tanks are used to carry liquid cargo such as crude oil or chemicals. After cargo operation, residues and wash water are collected in slop tanks, which are designed to store oily mixture safely. Finally, ballast tanks are located throughout the ship, including the double bottom wing tanks. These tanks are filled with seawater to maintain stability, proper draft, and trim when the ship is not fully loaded. In conclusion, all these structural members work together to ensure the ship's strength, safety, and efficient operation at sea. So that's all from me. Thank you guys.